my dear students, next third Sandhi in Swara, which is called Vruddhi Sandhi. So this Vruddhi Sandhi comes under Swara Sandhi, I repeat, because the word should end with Swara, second word should start with Swara. You know why I am keep on telling this? When you go higher level, when Vyanjana Sandhi, Visarga Sandhi comes, that time slightly some confusion may come. Therefore, I am keep on telling word should end with Swara, second word should start with Swara, then it comes under Swara Sandhi. So in that we are going to discuss Vruddhi Sandhi. Yes, I told you I am not going to write all the vowels always, because Swara Sandhi means you have to remember all the vowels. No need. Vruddhi Sandhi, selected vowels if you focus, that is enough for Vruddhi Sandhi. Alright. So before going to Vruddhi Sandhi, I will just write the name of the Sandhi. Vruddhi Sandhi. And what is the next step? Yes, I should write the number. For Dirgha Sandhi I wrote 4, Guna Sandhi I wrote 3. Now for Vruddhi 2. Wow, that's good. That means in Vruddhi Sandhi we are going to discuss only 2 answers. In these 2 answers, if you are strong, you will get Vruddhi Sandhi, whatever question comes based around Vruddhi Sandhi. Oh. But next what? The related swaras for Vruddhi Sandhi. Take. For the example, yes, a should end. Very good. That thought should come in your mind. When the first word ends with a or a, and I am sure you will understand the meaning of arrow. The second word should start a or I, or o or au. That is why I told only 2 answers. So the rule says, when the first word ends either a or a, second word when starts with a or I, you will get answer I. Just remember what is the letter for I? Yes, this is the letter of I, and this I, the symbol 2 horns. Yes, this is the symbol of I. Like that, au. The symbol of au, 1 line, 2 horns. I am just telling you horns to remember. So don't think if letter is given this kind, different kinds of horn. Horns means what? A kind of line will come like this. So I answer is 2 horns. Au answer is 1 line, 2 horns. Now we'll go to example. And I'm sure there are only 2 examples. Okay, first word. I think we used Rama, Lakshmana, one boy named Arun. So I'll take the word Aruna. The word is ending with a, Aruna. Second word should start a or I. We'll go example 1 and 2. So Aruna plus Eva. Beautiful, beautiful. When we got Aruna plus Eva, A plus A is equal to I, you will get the answer Aru Naiva. Yes, I told you this symbol I, 2 horns. Yes, I am sure you are able to see. Aruna plus Eva, Arunaiva. This is example 1. Second example, again the word should end with or a. So why not in Sanskrit? I told you only Sanskrit word you have to take. We'll go to another synonyms for Aruna means sun, right? The god, sun god. In Sanskrit, Suryaha. So another name for Aruna, take Surya. Generally, you know, whenever they are giving this name in Tamil, they will call Surya. Surya. S-U-R, Surya. Y-A-A like that they will write. But according to Sanskrit, the word Surya. Okay. So Surya also ending with a. Plus, I want to take O or Au. Odanam. You know Odanam. Why I am telling all this? Odanam means food. And I am sure, my dear students, you know, because of sun only we are getting food. The sunlight comes, so many grains comes. If there is no sunlight, we won't get any kinds of grains. And that only changing into rice and we are enjoying. So Odanam means food. There is a connectivity between Surya plus Odanam. Now what is the answer? A plus O is equal to Au. Then I will write the answer here, Suryaudanam. Yes. So Suryau, you can see these two horns. One line, two horns. I told one line, two horns. So Surya plus Odanam is equal to Suryaudanam. Like that, Aruna plus Eva, Arunaiva. So there are two answers in Vruddhi Sandhi. I repeat, when the first word ends with A or A, second word when it starts A or I, you will get answer I. For I, two horns. When the word is ending with A followed by O or Au, you will get answer Au. For Au, one line, two horns. The examples, Aruna plus Eva, Arunaiva, Surya plus Odanam, Suryaudanam. With this, Vruddhi Sandhi is over.